Hello guys, voice over Donna here, and this is my makeup prep by my sister, and I'm done with my makeup right now. So I'm preparing for my photo shoot, and this is my birthday week. I was too lazy to pick up my camera. Seriously, I had plans to film for the whole week, but anyways, let's keep that. So after my photo shoot session, I went to the National Library to submit my finished book. If you're following me and if you've gone through my old video, you know I've written a book. I'm an author here, and I'm going to do the final submission, and this is the National Library, and the woman there is just going through what I did. So this is me taking some video for those people interested to write their own book, what they need to get their ISBN and everything sorted out. But if you go through my old video, I have all those important information in the video. But if you still have questions about writing your book, please reach out to me and I will put you through. The first place I went to was the ISBN office. They check your ISBN and do your first clearance. Then the second place is the legal office. They check everything, and they are the one that will give you the certificate and your receipt for writing, and is this place they will store your book. This is me going home after walking up and down for like 2 hours. Now this is me heading out on Wednesday. Truly, I planned to film, but I don't know what happened. I didn't film again till on my birthday. My birthday was on Saturday and it rained heavily. Anyways, everybody knows it rains on 27th, so it rained heavily. I couldn't go anywhere with my sister, so the next day, which is on Sunday, I took my sisters out. So we decided to twin. Two people were wearing white two people were wearing black. But we're just heading out and we're just vibing on our way. Yeah, what do you want us to do? I don't know why when it comes to vlogging I get so tired, but when it comes to sit down video, I just know I set my camera, then I just start filming my sit down video, and that is it. But vlogging, if it's not my sister that is recording all this, I don't think I will have any video to even upload for my birthday, and I feel so sad and I really want to change. But by God's grace, I will change and start filming and vlogging this year. So we are at the place and we are placing our order, and my sister was even filming me. I don't even know. I just thank God that my sisters are camera friendly, so what that means that they like filming themselves. So because it's my birthday, everybody decided to film me. That's why I have all this video. I can send it to me, then I collage them like this and I uploaded them. I'm so sorry that the video is very short, but please, you guys have to make do with what I have. So this is the end of the video, and we're just taking videos. I even took some pictures which we see later on. I think we are still waiting for our meal. At this point we are done with our meal, so we left and that was it. It's a wrap for my birthday, and we took pictures and I had a great time, and my tummy was very filled up, and we left and called it a day. Bye guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.